about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello guys, and welcome back. My name is Mila, and if you're visiting my channel for the first time, if you love to do DIYs, to do things that are high-end on a budget, everything to do with home interior and decor, and some lifestyle and cooking, then you've made it to the right place, people. And for those that have been following me, my faithful followers, thank you and welcome back. In today's episode, I'm going to do a quick review. It's kind of like an unboxing, but I'm not actually opening it because I was too excited. Once I've got it, I wanted to use it, put it where in its place, and then talk about how much I love it. Well, I made 3 purchases from Etsy. And if you've never heard of Etsy, Etsy is a place where a lot of small businesses can do handmade items that are custom to your needs and custom to other people's, wants and likes. And I needed some pop of office supplies. So the first one that I fell in love with when I was searching was this Instagram sign. Now it's customizable because it has the how to with Milusions, and you may not be able to see it here because of course my ring light is reflecting, but I'm going to take a close-up video of it once we're done. But let's see. This, I'm going to look at my iPad because I have all the prices here. This purchase was from a seller called by Victoria Maxwell. So if you're looking for an Instagram sign, she has it like white muted and gold. She has different color variations, and it was priced about $37.90. Now it did take about a month for me to receive this item, but I'm pretty sure that specific shop, was very busy with plenty of orders. So they do give you dates of expectancy, and then once you get it and receive it, you inspect it make sure it's to your liking, and then you review the customer, because reviews are everything, guys. That's why I'm always telling you guys to leave a like, hit that notification bell, comment, because if we're creating something that you just don't get, you don't like, you don't know why I'm doing it, there's always a way to come across in the comments and say, hey, we've seen plenty of this, try doing some of that, or whatever the case may be. That's just a quick tip. My second Etsy purchase was my name. So my nameplate, and you won't be able to see it here either because it's glass, well, it's acrylic. And this one cost me $23.99, and I love the florals around it, and it has my name, Mila Grullon. And I've seen so many people put on their desks like boss or lady boss or whatever the case may be. I love my name, so I just stuck to putting my name on the desk. I do have visitors that come over that just gag over my name tag, my nameplate, and that purchase was actually a quicker shipping for me. I got that purchase within 2.5 weeks. She sent me a template of what it was going to look like before they finally made the cut, and that was nice to see, to have a little preview before committing to the purchase. And I loved it, I approved it, and they sent it out, and I love it. It's just another piece of accessory that is customized to my personal likings. And of course, the last purchase that I made from Etsy, before I go on, the name of the store that I got it from is called GaroSigns. It's G-A-R-O Signs, in case you wanted to purchase one for yourself. And I am going to put all of these businesses on my description below in case you wanted to take a look around their shops, and put all the details there on my description down below. And as I was saying, my last purchase was this beautiful How To with Milusions sign. Now, I really would have liked the How To have been black. I'm still contemplating if I want to take a black metallic marker and just color the How To with Milusions in black. But overall, I love it. I thought it was a little bigger, so I was a little let down with the size. But they don't really give you size options, so I should have read the details a little more carefully. But overall, I'm happy with the sign. I don't need something humongous. I mean, you can see it says How To with Milusion. It's an added bonus to my office decor and to the branding of my business. You know, people gotta know it's How To with Milusions. So this buyer is called Wolfandflower, and we went back a couple of times back and forth because she needed a very specific attachment in order to do my logo, and we ended up doing a PDF version, and then she sent me what it was going to look like. I approved it, and then she shipped it out. This took extremely long for me to receive, but again, when you're making these purchases, they give you a rough estimate of when you could possibly be receiving these. Now, I'm imagining that these shops are very small, or working from home, or limited space to work, and I'm sure they get lots of orders. So me as a small business owner myself, I understand the difference in shipping, especially when you're getting something as custom as these 3 pieces that I received here today. So make your way over to Etsy, guys. It's so overwhelming, the things that you can purchase on Etsy, and it's so affordable. And the thing is that you're talking to a real person, so you can actually message the person before you make a purchase. You can ask questions before making a purchase, and just think of it that you're helping to support another small business. Like, if that resonates in you in any kind of way. So I promise to keep this video short. I'm going to give you a few clippings and close-ups of my treasures that I purchased with Etsy today, and I will see you on the next video. But before I go, don't forget to subscribe and visit my YouTube channel, because I still got those free printables that I did on the last craft that I did. So I also put a couple of other free printables there for you as well, and also some paid ones as well. There's something there for everyone. Just go to my website, www.howtowithmilusions.org, and don't be afraid to see me on social media. Just hit @HowToWithMilusions, and you will see me on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Pinterest. I'm still working on the Twitter, but one rodeo at a time, people. Anyway, gotta go. Adios.